What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve the final equation right there. And you got to figure out the value of each of these symbols by going from top to bottom. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So right at the top, we got triangle times triangle times triangle is 125. What value will make that work? That would be 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Now we can fill out all these other red triangles with a 5 as well. Next, we have blue square divided by this is equal to 4. Well, of course, order of operations with the parentheses says we got to add this together first. That is 10. What divided by 10 is 4? That would be 40. So now all the blue squares are 40. Now moving down to the next equation. 40 divided by 5 is going to be 8. So what plus 8 is going to give us 36, right? And that is going to be 28. So now the green circle is 28. We're going to bring it down here. Last but not least, we got to carry out this final equation. You might say, all right, 40 plus 5 is 45 times 28, and we'll get it. But remember, order of operations says we got to do multiplication first. So we're going to do 5 times 28 first. That's 100 plus 40. That is 140 plus 40 is 180 for the win. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.